welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Hopefully this video actually makes it to the channel because I've been having technical difficulties last few weeks. If you follow me on Twitter anywhere, you would know. Sorry if I sound a hot mess and look a hot mess, but I'm down with a cold right now. And I feel just as bad as I look right now. My hair doesn't want to work with me and my face is just, so we're going to work with it right now though, because it's been a little bit since we did a video because of the technical difficulties I've been having. So I'm hoping that this all works out. And if it does, I hope you guys are having a great day. And don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to check out the latest video, which is the peach cobbler, I believe. That's the latest video we have. And also don't forget to subscribe. You can hit that big old button down below, or you can hit it right about here too. And don't forget to check out all the stuff down below in the description below, so you can check out the latest vlog. And of course, you can check out all my social media down below as always. And comment down below what you'd like to see for this channel. And for today we're going to be doing kind of like a virtual reality type of like interdesign. See, I can't even say because my sinuses and everything is just on fire right now. Anyways, so we're going to do a design board for one of the rooms in our house. Well, a townhouse, a house, whatever you want to call it. So we've been here for a little over a year. We haven't really designed much just because things are very expensive. So most of my ideas come from Pinterest, or it's DIY, or it's something like that where I can like afford to do it type of way, you know. So today we're going to be doing the living room. As you can see, we have the couch, which is huge, and of course we have that little table, and we have our TV, which we need a new TV stand. It broke a few months ago. So you'll see kind of like an ideal what I like to see of it. That's just an ideal, but I really like that. It looks really good. And I also really like the layout that you guys will see in the board. And you also will see a little storage thing that goes into the wall. And I thought that was really cool. So that could like go beside the TV. And also, we could really use more light in that room anyway. It's so dark half the time. So, why do I keep saying today? I'm so sorry. Here we go again. So today, I thought I'd do like a design board, and we do virtual reality. You'll see what it looks right now. I had to do 2 photos. It's so huge room. And I actually would love like a big, like an organization type of storage area. That's what I was trying to think of. I was trying to think of what it was. So that's actually a DIY that I actually could do. I actually found a table I really like that's actually DIY too. 2 of those are DIY. Some of them, the things I've seen, will probably cost a little bit, but I might be able to find a way around it, but we'll see. So you see that also in there, because I really like the way it looks, because you can put stuff on top of it, in it. I mean, we have so much stuff in the closet next to that one wall that you see in the living room. So maybe we can like put some stuff in there, or like put some books in there, just as like an ideal what it would look like type thing. So as you can see, it's so much stuff we have to like cover. There's a wall this way, and there's another wall this way, and then it's just so like it's still not completely like there like I have in mind. I don't know yet, but this is what I like so far of what I would like to incorporate in that room. So you'll see the design where you'll see 2 photos of what it looks like right now. And then the ideals of what I like to incorporate in this room. I can't, technically go out and do what I like to do for this room just because money and all that stuff. But it's so much fun to do and listen to me. Like, I can't even speak. Oh my god. I like to just go out and just design the room and just pick out the things I want for it. But technically for me, it's not that easy. I can't just go out and do that. But for me, I could just do virtual reality where like you can see my ideals and you can see what I like to do for it. And maybe eventually I can actually incorporate those ideals and you get to see, hey, look, the room's finally done. We have this room currently, which is the recording room, beauty area. It's a mess. So this room will probably be next to. And then we have my son's room. We have our bedroom, and then we have 3 bathrooms. So there's a lot of rooms in here I could do. Like we have kind of the kitchen and like the dining room area. So there's a lot of potential here to do some interior design. I'm trying to say it, but it's like butchering because of my throat. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so horrible. It's like a summer fall cold because it's not officially fall. It's not the end of summer yet. So without ado, here's the photos of what it looks like right now, and then you'll see what it look, what I have in mind for it. Hopefully you can see everything. It's the only app I could find. I could do like a board. If I can find a way I can make it bigger, I'll try that. But hopefully you get to see everything because I always preview everything before I submit it to YouTube. So I'm hoping everything looks good. So without ado, here's all that, and then I will sign off and we'll talk about the whole design and all that too. And I'll see you guys soon, and subscribe. Bye! I'm back. You seen how big it was, and I hope you guys see all of my ideals I have for the room, and you can see how big it is. There's so much potential in that room. It's white obviously, but we can't really paint it, so we gotta work with it. Bye. As you've seen, we had some photos, with my family. We had some little shelves. Basically, it's what it started with when we first moved into here. A few months after that, I kind of did that, which I still really love. I like to incorporate one more photos of our family eventually in that area, maybe. But maybe where the storage area is, we can have photos above it, or we can have the little hanging things you guys see, which I really love that. That's been one of my favorite things I see on Pinterest lately, is that and lanterns. I love lanterns. So I'm hoping to incorporate that in that area or in a room somewhere in this house. So you might see that in the word too. So the other wall, which is in our couch, is blank as well. We can have another like storage area there, or we can have like hanging shelves is basically what I'm saying. I love the oval ones, but I also like the octagon ones. So I'm kind of torn between the two of them. They both look so amazing. So that can go there, and of course the TV, you see that. It's such a mess right now. I've been wanting to put our TV on the wall, but I'm also kind of scared that it'll fall, So I kind of want to do that as well. You see that type of look in that photo from Pinterest. I like that. I really like the rustic vibe I'm getting from it. So I really like that. So I'm hoping we could do that. If not, I like to get a TV from Walmart, like a TV mount shelf type thing from Walmart if I have to. And of course the shelf will be going right beside of the TV. But I do like the look of that one, like the TV and everything, and that look is just so amazing. I love the way it looks. But that's all, that's pretty much it right now as what my ideals are for that room. I think that would actually make the room more open and make it more homey and make it look better than it does right now. The coffee table is kind of iffy. I really want a new one, but I kind of want to keep the one we have. But it's so short, and it's just, I don't know if I like it, if I want to get another one. You've seen the crafty one I put in the board, so I don't know, we'll see. But as all have guys today, I hope you enjoyed my virtual reality interior design look of our living room, and let me know down below some ideas you think I should incorporate into the room. But until then, maybe you'll get to see what it looks like eventually when I can incorporate some of my ideals in there. And see you guys soon for episode 2 for editorial design, virtual reality, using a board, a design board. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and comment down below your some ideals and what you'd like to see on this channel. And don't forget to almost said smash that subscribe button, but it's not that channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit it right back here too. Check out the latest video over here. And check out the eye for the main channel. You can also check it down below in the description below. And until then, that is all I have you guys today. Hopefully I'll come back soon for some makeup and some fashion stuff, but it's been such a mess the last few weeks, so we'll see you soon. But anyways, stay tuned for more videos coming very soon. Until then, hope you guys have a great day, and XOXO, that's all folks.